How are we all doing today? So, first of all, I want to welcome a few new subscribers along. Thanks very much for joining us on the journey. So we're up to 114 now, so the only way is up. Anyway, had a bit of a sore throat for the last couple of days, so the first thing I'm going to do is have a cup of tea for myself. The only answer is copious amounts of tea. So, today we're going to have a look at a couple of Roberts R701s. I picked these up ages ago, and one of them's working and one of them isn't. They're both immaculate looking. I don't think they had any use. If they did, they certainly didn't have a lot. So we'll have a look at them and have a bit of crack with them. Bernard Evans, you were talking about renting time on a shortwave transmitter, WWCR. Sounds interesting, alright. One question for you, I was just thinking about it. Royalties with music, say I wanted to, just hypothetically saying that I go and get an hour off WWCR, odds nodge across the world. The end times are coming. What way does it work with royalties if I want to have music and stuff, you know? Just wondering. What else was I going to say? I don't know what I was going to say. Hugh TVDX, thanks for your comments. Taz, thanks for your nice comments there. You know, I like it when people comment, so, you know, it makes me know that people are interested in what I'm doing and that, so that's great, you know. That's pretty much it. Christian, all the gear, no idea. You're certainly more of an idea than I do anyway, and you're doing great. I think you have 800 and something subscribers, and you've got some great content, and you're into the video editing. I can't master the video editing at all. I have this app on my phone called My Movie, but it's very blocky and you lose resolution and that. So I have to try and, well, what I try and do is I try and do everything in one shot, which doesn't always work out, as you can imagine. I'm still trying to get that image out of my head though, of you dancing around with a pair of distributor caps. Jesus Christ, man. Fair play to you. Signal Hunter, you're right, my channel has taken off beyond the expectations. I didn't think anyone at all would watch, so that's great. Anyway, enough waffle talk out of me. Let's have a look at the radios. So here they are. As I said, they're both immaculate looking. This one even, they both had their tags on them. The tag's fallen off this one somewhere in the house, probably under the bed or that. So I don't think they've had any use. As you can see, the tag is spotless. You know, they're very clean, even the little rubber feet and all. Anyway, all we can do was bang batteries into them and try them. I think it was the silver one that wasn't working, but I can't remember now. These batteries here, I don't know if they're any use or not. Just bang them either on them. Check one. They're all the same batch, so if one's alright, the rest of them should be in line. .51, that'll do me. Yep. Right, let's see if this one works. I'll turn down the music. Oh yeah, this is obviously the one that is working. Bring the camera over. Have a better look at what's going on.
Living in the water, plants, animals, bacteria, algae. We're focusing particularly on the vertebrates living in the pond, so that's the fish, the amphibians, We actually saw a turtle, someone's pet turtle that had been released while we were waiting. Be interested to see if we can detect that or not.
Yeah, and how long
That's
does a
radio
trace
far
last
long wave.
if those species are passed through?
Yeah, well, we think this decays. Finding the DNA tells.
There is no RT and long wave at the minute because they're servicing the mast out in Clarkstown. I think I'm picking up a bit of noise off the phone as well. That phone, the tablet on charge there was interfering with it a bit.
Yeah. For me.
Spirit radio, that comes in real strong here. Mine's radio. See if it's like an FM.
/experiences. Start. They would or something like that. I always feel like send them text messages saying, "Why did you say looking good on this person's page on Facebook?"
It's me,
When I
This kind of music, where's that coming from? What I've done is lately I used to plug in I have the tablet and I play the test card music off YouTube on it over the stereo when I'm making my videos, just for a bit of background music. So I play it through the amplifier there. But the lead is a bit dodgy. There's the lead there going into the phone. So what I'm doing is I'm just using a little transmitter there. A little kit that I put together a while ago. So that puts it out around the workshop quite nicely. So that's where that comes from. And then there's no one talking about breakfast, which is good. Alright, so this Roberts is obviously working perfectly, so there isn't a problem there. So it's obviously the silver one that's giving us the grief. So we'll have a look at it. Swap the batteries over. Getting back to normal today. Sore throat's going around, everyone seems to have it. It's this time of year does no good for you. No good at all. What years do these stem from? I think I see it on Radio Museum. They're 1991, I think. It hasn't got the same feel of quality of Robert's earlier stuff, but they're still a nice receiver. By all accounts, they're certainly not crap either. Alright. Seems to be working alright now. Making a lawyer out of me. The pot's a bit noisy.
Okay. Just any coffee.
And then drive to San Sebastian. Santander itself has a great paint job.
Sure,
I don't
you
think
get
it has the
finest
gain of the
cup
other
full
one though.
skinny, single, double, delicious.
That's a bit better now. I have the area for the extended area.
Good to hear from
What's that though? Just something causing interference in the workshop. I didn't hear the other one making that noise.
Species. Specialist in ancient DNA at the Arctic University Museum of Norway in Tromsø. He told me that
Maybe there is something wrong with it. I don't think the other one was making that noise. Let's swap the batteries over again and see. Just to be double check. I don't know if it's a power supply in the workshop causing that, but I have everything turned off. Ah, it's making it too. That could be the phone or something. Alright. So, it appears, while I thought I had one faulty Roberts radio, or one not faulty Roberts radio, I actually have two working for Roberts radios. So that was a handy video. Alright. I'm sure there's plenty of crap around here that is broken. Take care, thanks for watching, all the best. Keep commenting, keep giving me thumbs up and all that jazz. Good luck for now.